Scientists may have discovered a cure for heart attacks using the same mRNA technology that is used in COVID vaccines. A heart attack, also called a myocardial infarction, happens when a part of the heart muscle doesn't get enough blood. Recently, researchers at King's College London announced a plan to use mRNA to regenerate damaged heart tissues. The research, which may enter human trials within the next 2 years, could produce a cure for the world's leading cause of death before the end of this decade. Due to enormous investment by the US government to battle the COVID-19 pandemic, Moderna and Pfizer developed vaccines for the disease using mRNA technology in record time. The technique has been the focus of scientific research over the past 2 years, and mRNA has become an unlikely household name. Now, researchers want to spend $20 to $30 billion to create a library of mRNA vaccines against each viral family that threatens to become a future pandemic. A fundamental trait of mRNA is the ability to teach cells to produce the proteins they need to heal themselves, and is therefore revolutionary to every branch of medicine. The new technique is called genetic tracking and, as I noted, is built on the same technology used to create Pfizer and Moderna's COVID vaccines. For example, King's College researchers intend to deliver mRNA to the heart in order to produce proteins that can generate healthy heart cells. Basically, mRNA can help new cells replace the dead ones and, instead of forming a scar, develop new muscle tissue, which theoretically will prevent a progression from a heart attack to total heart failure. The researchers say their technique can also prevent heart cells from death due to a cardiac event. The lead researcher, Professor Mauro Giacca, was quoted as saying, "We are all born with a set number of muscle cells in our heart, and they are exactly the same ones we will die with. The goal of our research has been to find a treatment that can convince surviving cells to proliferate." In 2019, more than 18.5 million deaths around the world were attributed to cardiovascular conditions, and heart attacks occur every 40 seconds in the US. Scientists have a number of innovative treatments for heart disease in development, including the use of stem cells to repair damaged heart tissue or the use of immune cells to prevent inflammation. If King's College researchers can show in human clinical trials that mRNA can help the heart repair itself and even prevent cells in the heart from dying, it will mean that heart attacks could be considered a minor health event instead of a precursor to heart failure and death. The technology has been tested on pigs to regenerate damaged hearts and have so far been successful. It is understood human trials will start soon. Within the decade, the US could see a sharp reduction in the hundreds of billions of dollars the country spends on costs related to heart failure, making it an economic as well as a medical miracle. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and notify for more content like this.